Benefits of garlic. Garlic is a popular ingredient in many cuisines and has several health benefits, including 1. Boosting immunity. Garlic contains compounds that can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of infections. 2. Lowering blood pressure. Garlic has been shown to help lower blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. 3. Reducing cholesterol. Garlic can help reduce total and LDL cholesterol levels, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Benefits of saffron. Saffron is a spice that is derived from the Crocus sativus flower. It is known for its unique flavor and aroma and has several health benefits, including 1. Powerful antioxidant. Saffron contains several plant compounds that act as antioxidants, which can help protect your cells against oxidative stress and free radicals. 2. Mood booster. Saffron has been shown to have antidepressant properties,